We advise you to watch the video on cooling with the remote condenser before watching this video because pool water heating is part of the air cooling mode. In this mode, the DCA dehumidifier operates much as in the remote condenser mode, the only difference being the addition and use of a water tube condenser, meaning that the remote condenser and reheat coil remain inactive during pool heating. Return air passes through the filters and into the evaporator coil, where the air is cooled below the dew point and the condensate drips into the drain pan. The air then passes through the reheat coil, goes past the water jacket pool condenser, and leaves the dehumidifier, supplying the room with air that is both drier and cooler. The heat from the hot vapor is now being transferred into the pool water by the water-cooled condenser. Let's see how this process works on a sample low-voltage schematic. The water temperature control is indicated by the bottom portion of the dotted line box. When air cooling is required, the unit goes into the cooling mode with the remote condenser. But if the pool water is not up to the set point, a relay, here labeled R4, will also energize. The contacts here will open to prevent the remote condenser from starting. The contacts here will close and energize the number 2 three-way valve, which sends the hot gas through the water coil. This pole on the relay prevents the compressor from starting if there is insufficient water flow. Once the pool water set point is reached, the remote condenser starts, and that condenser now receives the hot refrigerant vapor.